Hi, my name is Jaini Sehgal. I'm from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering. I'm in my third year from ECE branch. And I've joined this summer training program of MERN Stack it is given by Brain Mentors. It was taught to us by Mr. Amit sir. So personally, I believe it was a very informative training program. I really loved it. See, the thing is because he covered everything and told us everything in detail. Uh, from the study, he provided us the study material. He taught us really, really well. He solved our queries. He provided us a TA so that even if he's absent, he can cover his workload or he can answer our queries. Personally, I believe that is very nice. And it has been one hell of a journey, and I enjoyed this training program very much. And I would rate this 10 on 10. Thank you.